Eat healthy and exercise regularly to drop excess kilos and control your blood glucose levels. Here are some simple exercises to get you started. Reduce 200 calories just by walking for an hour. Cycling is one of the most common exercise to burst 235 calories. Why don't you try gardening at home to lower 255 calories? Add sweetness to life by saying no to lift. Start climbing stairs. Or play table tennis for an hour and lose 269 calories. Go for brisk walk in morning daily to cut down 289 calories. Fast cycling with 15 km/h speed can shed up to 390 calories. Have you ever done water walking? Try it and reduce 302 calories. Or you can go for swimming and trim around 356 calories too. Last but not the least, and most trending aerobic dance is best of all to break your 443 calories in an hour. Thank you. Stay tuned with me for diabetes care. Don't forget to consult your physician before